Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back working on the BMW. As the video title describes, pipe dreams gone wrong. And see how I fixed my broken pipe. So today's episode was meant to be how I was going to fit a crankshaft sensor to the BMW. But you'll see in the video, this is me just showing you guys all the crankshaft sensor, sorry. Ignore the Tupperware tubs in the background. They have been cleaned. Anyway, this is crankshaft sensor. This is me thinking about doing the crankshaft sensor, realizing how much of a pain it was going to be. And when doing more research into it, realizing that was not going to fix my issue. But I've did my research to see how easy it was, and it didn't look easy. So, and it wasn't throwing up a code for the crankshaft sensor. So I was gonna take a quick swerve to that idea. But when I was looking at the crankshaft sensor area and stuff like that, I noticed that there was a massive, great gouge and split in the pipe, as you can see on the screen, where the air hose goes to the MAF sensor. So I saw that and then plugged it in to see any codes or anything like that. My camera angles are absolute trash. I apologise. And there's me plugging it into the OBD port into the BMW. Just seeing what it says and when it loads up. And I'm just showing you the split pipe again, just so everyone can see it. And I see it's coming away at that little junctiony area. I didn't know how best to describe it, to be fair. Obviously, ignore the misfire with low fuel because it just had low fuel. I've fueled it up now, so that should all be fine and dandy. That's the code we want to get rid of, the mass airflow sensor fault. But I think when I've done the repair, well, the quick repair to the pipe with just some tape for now, but I will order the part you see coming up next, and hopefully that will rectify it when it comes through. There's me trying to read the data like I vaguely know what I'm going on about. And after repair, the sensor looks like it's working perfectly fine. As I say, this is only just a temporary fix. So I cleared down all the codes and none of them have come back. So I feel like I've fixed it for now. But as soon as a new pipe does come in, I will get it all changed over, swapped over, and make sure hopefully that thing never comes back. And then that's one more thing fixed on the BMW. So anyway, so that's one more thing fixed. So now remember to always check your engine bay and check all the pipes and all the hoses, because you never know if one's going to be split sooner or later, because one might look all right one day and then split the next. You never can tell when it will happen, but trust me, it will happen at the most inconvenient time. This is why you should always check your hoses and such like that, my boys. So it's always a good idea to check your pipes. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully these videos get a bit better. I am trying my best, but we shall see. Thanks for watching, and remember, if cabbage can, you can too. Next video, hopefully, will be replacing the spark plugs and maybe trying to put some racing seats in the BMW. But we shall see, and hopefully, well, just hope for the best. Hopefully, it won't be broken anymore. That's the main goal. Anyway, thanks for watching. And obviously you all know that I'm going to round it up to 5 minutes. So it's better for the watch hours.